5 Best Level Measuring Instruments. Here is the product number 5. Level Bubble Accessories. 100% brand new and high quality. Type, Universal Level. Material, new PMMA. Size, 32 by 7 mm. Color, green, white, blue. Here is the product number 4. Digital Protractor Inclinometer Goniometer. Measuring range 0-360 degree. High resolution 0.05 degree. 3 function key. 0 setting at any position. Quick display of the measured value on big LCD screen. With on-off power button, automatic power off. 3-volt environmental lithium battery, battery life greater than 1 year. Strong blade lock can hold the readout securely. Here is the product number 3. Mini Spirit Level Measurement Instrument. Brand name, Hackuri. Model number, YK2. Color, black, red, orange, yellow. Length, 58 mm. Height, 13 mm. Width, 43.5 mm. Holes distance, 25 mm. Here is the product number 2. Mini Digital Protractor Inclinometer. ABS plastic enclosure, lightweight and durable. Relative, absolute measurement interchange at any position. Angle and slope readout conversion. With built-in magnets and measuring surface, which is convenient to be attached to the object measuring workpiece. Power off automatically in 5 minutes. Portable size, convenient to co-work with other measuring tools and in large measuring range. Here is the product number 1. Practical 4-folding plastic ruler. Micrometer type, depth micrometers. Made out of glass-filled nylon for strength, durability and flexibility. Can be stretched into various shapes to meet your different measurement needs. Use with brick, tile, laminated and lumber. Easy and convenient to use. Its high accuracy will definitely meet your needs. Color, yellow. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.